Okay, we are here at the Hyatt Regency in Santa Clara off of Great America Parkway. I am here today or this weekend for a kindergarten conference, so I thought I would show you around. Now there is a cheerleading conference at the same time, so this place has been busy this weekend. So when you get here, it's not like a typical hotel I've stayed at. So you just have these, it's part of the driveway here, and you can park in one of those 2 or 3 spots to check in, and then you pay for parking here. So $40 a night typically, and you can go in there, you get a ticket, and then you put the ticket in if you're staying here, but they charge your room, so you don't have to pay at the kiosk, and you can go in and out. Part of the conference we only paid $36. So as you enter into the hotel, straight back is going to be your check-in desk. So there you go, right there. It's going to be your check-in desk. That's where you'll check into the room. Immediately to the right, you will see that there is the Evolution Bar and restaurant. So this is where they have lunch and dinner and drinks. They had the football game here on last night. This place was pretty busy. So as you come into the hotel, straight up is going to be your check-in desk. To your left here is going to be upstairs to conference rooms, as well as their market. And their market serves breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Opens at 6, typically closes at 9, but always check before you come. And it has coffee. You can get fancy coffees or just drip coffees. I will tell you that it is rather expensive no matter where you eat here. So average meal was about $20 to $30, and that includes just a cheeseburger, a ham and cheese croissant for breakfast. There is tons of seating here, so you can get food from the market. Come over here, relax. To the left of the market here, and they also have little trinkets. I'll put in my video that I have of more close-up of the market area. The market, the lobby. There's a microwave you could use. Snacks. Yum. Some more gifts. You can mobile order. There's the market. So to the left, of course, you have some restrooms as well as an ATM. And then this area is roped off. It's more conference rooms. They've been doing a lot of work on the conference rooms when we got here. So some of the areas have been a little bit under construction, but it hasn't interfered too much with what we've been doing. So here's the market again. And then if you keep going past the check-in desks here, you will see their third dining option. So they have the Evolution Bar and Restaurant that's there in the middle, that serves your typical cheeseburgers, and they had pan-seared salmon and all sorts of things on their menu. And then you can go to a sushi bar that they have. So now to the right of the check-in desk, you can see that we're near the bar. You could just sit. They come with their menus. You can look at the menu online. And the sushi bar is only open in the evening, and I think late afternoon. Over here is part of the Evolution Bar and Restaurant, and they are open for breakfast. I had breakfast there. It was delicious. So this is a look at the buffet that they offer there. It's $30. Everything looked very fresh, very clean. So it'll be up to you if you want to spend that $30 on your breakfast. Good morning. If you keep going past the sushi bar, past the restaurant, you will get to the conference area. Oh, here's another ATM. This is also where the pool elevator takes you down to, because right behind the bar, you will enter into the pool section. Now it's a little foggy this morning, so I'll put in my video of the pool when it was sunny and bright outside. Pool hours, 6 a.m. to 11 p.m. It's a nice little area. The pool area here, you can access it from the lobby or from a pool elevator that you can get on floor 3. They do have cabanas that you can rent from 11 to 7. It's a nice pool. Looks like there's a spa right there. No lifeguard on duty. And you can get towels using your room key. Now this is January, so the pools aren't very popular. So stay tuned. So again, continuing to the right of the check-in desk, this is where you're going to get into the conference rooms. Now, these are the conference rooms for the convention center as well as the hotel. There's some rooms to the left here with another seating area and down around the corner. I'm not going to take you down into that area because it really is just conference rooms. The next thing we're going to do is go upstairs to floor number 3. And floor number 3 is where you're going to find your fitness center, and then also the pool elevator, which you don't really need because you could just come down to the first floor. So we're going to take the elevator on up to floor number 3. So here we are at the elevators. They're to the left of the check-in desk here. We're just going to take them up to level 3, floor 3, so that we can check out that fitness center. Now I've already recorded parts of the fitness center, so I will put that in because most of the time there's people exercising in the morning and I don't want to film them. So let's go. So here we are on floor 3. So as you come out of the elevator, you're going to turn right, and it tells you right here, fitness center's to your right. And it is literally right there. So here is the fitness center. You will need your key to get in. And I think it's open till 11 o'clock and opens at 6 o'clock, of course. The fitness room at Santa Clara, Hyatt Regency There's treadmills, a little stretching area, some free weights, bathroom, mat, yoga ball, scale, water. Looks like they have some little headphones with regular jacks. They have Peloton bikes. As well as some connected weights. Or earlier, check when you check into the hotel. Anyways, that's about it for the amenities. I will say that staying here has been fine. Staying here has been fine. It's been comfortable. The beds are okay. They're a little firm. The pillows are either rock hard or super soft. Water pressure was intense. And there is not much walking distance around here. So we walked to dinner. It took us about 20 minutes to get to Clara's Junction. They had delicious food. There's a Togo's down the street that probably take you about 10 minutes to. You could drive a couple miles and get to a Target and a Panera and a Chick-fil-A and Five Guys. And what else was over there? A few other things were over there. Anyways, you can look it up. So there wasn't much options for walking wise, and I think that made the food really expensive, but pretty good. Coffee was like $7 for a caramel macchiato. You can Uber Eats. There's this place in the lobby to the left of the check-in where they'll drop it off for you. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this look. It's not much, but it's nice. Second floor, they do have a business center. Make sure to put that in as well. And don't forget to check out that bonus clip of the room I stayed in with the stadium view, 2 queen beds. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful. And like always, please click subscribe and notifications so you know when our next videos are coming. Thanks and have a great day. So on the guest room floors, they have the ice machine here, but they also have a microwave. Room 604, stadium view, 2 queen beds at the Hyatt Regency in Santa Clara. This one is the one on Great American Parkway. As you enter, you can see the bathroom is straight to your left with some sliding doors. Right by that is going to be your closet. No doors on your closet, some extra bedding at the bottom, little luggage rack, some hangers. The bathroom doors are these rolly ones with kind of that see-through glass. Now, if I'm sharing a room, these are not my favorite because you can kind of see through them. But if it's just family or if you're here by yourself, not that big of a deal. Into the bathroom we go. Here's the shower. That's interesting. The towels are in the shower. And they have a bath mat as well as a towel bath rug outside. They use this company for their shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. Little shower head there. We'll see how the water pressure is tomorrow. Nice little picture. We have a toilet. Amenities by the sink. We have this nice big light up mirror. We have this sink here that's kind of a fancy sink. Looks like it has pretty good pressure. We have some body lotion and some hand wash. And let's see what's in this little thing. A little vanity kit. Let's see, there it is. Vanity kit that contains a nail file, some cotton swabs, and Q-tips. That's nice. And then to the right, we have 2 small glasses. We have a mirror that comes out to do your makeup, the magnifying mirror. We have a tissue box as well as a blow dry, an extra thing of toilet paper, and a garbage can. As you come out of the bathroom, straight ahead, you'll have a full-length mirror, followed by a desk with an art piece mirror, water that is complimentary if you are elite, but not $4 if you are not, and a little ice bucket. A lot of outlets there. Then you have a nice sized TV, as well as a coffee maker that is Keurig style. It comes with different coffees, 2 decaf, 2 regular, some cups, some tea, as well as the coffee maker itself. We have underneath a little mini beverage fridge. Looks like it won't hold much, but enough. Little beverage fridge. Then we have 3 drawers that are pretty decent size, a light, 2 chairs and a table. You have your 1 bed, a little nightstand in between that has a lamp with 2 plugs down here, an alarm clock that you could charge your phone on if it has the old iPhone charger, the remote for the TV, and some drawers. There's your next bed with the thermostat control that you can control the heat and the coolness on. Okay, that's it. That's the room in a nutshell. Again, this is the Santa Clara Hyatt Regency on Great America Parkway. We're here for a conference, so that was a little bonus tour of the room with a view of Levi Stadium. As I was exploring the room, I found 2 new things. The first thing here is this safe that's in the bottom drawer of the stand that goes between the 2 queen-size beds. The second thing was hidden behind this full-size mirror. Now that I was on this side hanging out, I could tell there's a little lever, and I was wondering what it was. So when you open it, you actually can find an ironing board, full size, as well as an iron here at the bottom. That when you take it out, you can see it's just a regular iron. It does have some steam settings there as well to use. So those were 2 additional things that we found in the room.